kritisch. Aha. Schauen wir mal, was es da herum gibt. So, 14, jetzt haben wir alle.
I told you to stay out of it.
And I told you I need a backup. I just learned Jerry's been undercover with Dragonclaw. That means you have to know about Billy and Tico, and didn't bother to tell me.
I was doing you a favor. I knew if you got involved, things might just...
What? And like this? Keep it. I'll be further out of bounds before this is finished.
Young and his crew are at the Mega working out some deal, and the I-9s are about to crash the party. Seems they're pissed off about having our dead cop pinned on them. They're looking for payback.
I need Young alive. Wong can use him with the Russians to get Billy and Tico back. Meet me at the Mega. Afraid to be seen with a cop?
No. Of my father seeing us together. He warned us once.
Are you sorry you fell in love with me?
Never, but I'm frightened. It's not just the two of us anymore.
What are you saying?
We're going to have a child.
We are? That's great.
No. It's terrible. If my father finds out, he'll kill us all.
Even Jimmy Wong wouldn't kill his own grandchild.
You don't know him the way I do.
Then come away with me.
He'll find us.
No, he won't. We'll go far away. America, Europe, the back end of the world. I don't care.
When?
Tonight, meet me at the airport. I'll take care of everything.
Yes.
So, Ende der nächsten Mission. Und weiter geht's.
I don't pay those.
That's okay. They're not guitars. Scope the Mega out and plant those where you think you might need them. The Gold and Cane are meeting on the top floor, so heads up.
See you inside. I'm with the band.
Okay, die Gitarrenkoffer müssen wir irgendwo platzieren. Da haben wir Munition drin. Jetzt mache ich einfach mal da. Weil jetzt gibt es ein heißes Gefecht. So, das ist unsere dritte Special-Attacke. Spin Attack. Brauchen wir bestimmt bei Gelegenheit einmal. So, wo sind's? Ummert. Da ist einer. Was ist? Ja. Jetzt wird am Medikit nicht schlecht. Ab mit dir. So, was ist jetzt? Aus nicht. Oh. Jetzt geht's erst richtig los. Jetzt brauchen wir mal unsere Spin-Attacke. Jetzt wird's